Want this awesome Pixel 3 live wallpaper on your Xiaomi Poco F1 phone? Make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey YouTube, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use the Pixel 3 live wallpapers on your Xiaomi Poco F1 phone. My Poco F1 phone is running MIUI 9 based on Android 8.1 Oreo. Go ahead and download the Pixel 3 live wallpapers APK linked in the description of this video. You can either download the APK on your computer and then transfer it to your phone, or you can directly download it on your phone. First thing which we need to do is we'll go ahead and go into the Play Store. Over here we need to search for an app called Wallpapers. Once you search for Wallpapers, look for the application by Google, so this guy over here, and then we will go ahead and click on install. Once the Wallpapers app has installed successfully, we'll go ahead and click on the home button. Back on the home screen, we need to go into the File Manager app. Once in File Manager app, we'll go ahead and click on APKs, and over here it will show us all the APKs which we have on our device. So here's the Google Pixel 3 Live Wallpapers APK by Pranav Pandey. All credits to Pranav Pandey for porting this. We'll go ahead and click on this guy over here. On the next screen, we will go ahead and click on install. Once the app is installed successfully, we will go ahead and click on done. And now we will go ahead and click on the home button. Back on the home screen, if you go ahead and long press and then click on wallpapers, the live wallpapers do not show up over here. What we need to do is we'll go ahead and open the app drawer, and then we need to look for the wallpapers app which we installed, this guy over here. Click on that. It will ask us to provide it permission to our device's storage. We will go ahead and click on allow access. Click on allow one more time. Once that is done, we will go ahead, scroll down, click on live wallpapers, and bam, there you have it, Pixel 3 live wallpapers on your Poco F1 phone. This guy over here, bird's eye view of the Zan National Park, is my favorite. Go ahead and click on set wallpaper on the top right. Let's go ahead and set it to home screen for now. Wallpaper set successfully, and there you have it, Google Pixel 3 live wallpapers running on your Xiaomi Pocophone F1. That's it for this video YouTube. I hope my short video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.